Good evening to everybody. Welcome to the Club of the Law of Insurance. And today, class that I am going to deal the doctrine of reinstatement. If the time will be left over there, doctrine of or the principle of proximate cause also. Yes, now anybody can unmute and read what I posted on the screen. Yes.
Yes, good evening. Doctrine of Reinstatement and Insurance, Professor Dr. Muhammad Sahib Hussain.
Yes. Now
Thank you,
let's
sir.
see. Yes, very good. And this is the doctrine of reinstatement, ampersand insurance. Then we will see that what is the doctrine of reinstatement in insurance. The definition of the reinstatement. Can anybody will read the definition of the reinstatement? This one.
Doctrine of Reinstatement in Insurance, definition of reinstatement. Definition: if an insured person fails to pay the premium due to various circumstances and as a result the insurance policy gets terminated, then the insurance coverage can be renewed. This process of putting the insurance policy back after a lapse is known as reinstatement.
Yes.
Reinstatement of
Yes, enough. So
thank you.
now, when you see the definition, like suppose somebody's services are terminated, later on they go to the labor court and whatever it may be, then he won the case, then he will be reinstituted, is it not? Reinstituted, that means again he will back to the job. That is called reinstituted, we will say in the terminology of the service, is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In the same way, if an insured person fails to pay the premium due to the various circumstances like COVID, he doesn't have the job and he stopped paying. As a result, the insurance policy get terminated by the insurer. Then the insurance coverage can be renewed. How? Again, what he will do, he will pay the premium with the penalty, the interest. Then the process of putting the insurance policy back means live. How? By paying the
Insurer.
premium, by paying the premium with the interest as a penalty. Again, he will make the insurance alive, policy
Yes, sir.
alive. So the
Yes.
process of putting the insurance policy alive means back after a lapse, after a terminated, after a gap. Again, he will put
Sir,
it the.
voice muted, sir.
నా వాయిస్ బాగా కరెక్టే ఉంటుందండి మీ దగ్గర
Okay, sir.
సంథింగ్
Okay.
రాంగ్ ఓవర్ దేర్ బికాస్ వెన్ యూ చెక్ మై రికార్డింగ్ వాయిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ మచ్ క్లియర్ ఓన్లీ ద వెన్ ద
Okay, sir.
yes
Just.
this I will stop the here also so that the voice will be more because I stopped the video. So a policy which is dead or the insurer terminated it but paying the premium with the interest or penalty, then the same policy will be alive, and that this process of putting the insurance policy back to the original position after the lapse means that the gap was completed is known as reinstatement. దాని ఏమంటారండి? Doctrine of reinstatement means coming back to the again the original position by paying the lapsed policy by interest. Then the doctrine is called the reinstatement. Reinstatement of any property generally means replacement of what is lost or repairing the damaged property by bringing it to its original value and usefulness. He will bring the policy against as alive by paying the premium and by paying the penalty. In case of the total destruction of an asset, the company generally replaces the same with a new asset or, if possible, repair the old one to bring it at the same condition or position that is never damaged. So reinstatement means, for instance, your motor vehicle is insured. Okay. But you did not pay some of the premium. Then the insurance will terminate it. But again, you can make the live the same policy by paying the
Premium. Premium
with interest.
with interest. Premium
With
with
the
interest.
with the interest as a penalty. That is the interest. Why he has to pay? That is the penalty clause, because you did not pay the premium in the in time. So if you pay the premium, again it become alive. So such insurance called reinstatement. Bring back to the original position, and whatever the damage will be there, that will be covered. Again, the insurer will pay that all the damages. In case when assets under the damage have been covered with an insurance policy, then insurer try to repair damages assets to bring them in their condition before the peril or risk. What the insurance company will do it? If any property is damaged because the untoward incident, then he will make as if such a damage is not caused to your property. Is it clear? Say yes or no. Bring back to the original position of the insured, and such is called reinstatement. When he complete or when he fulfill the paying the premiums and other things. That is the thing. The term reinstate in a fire insurance policy refers to buildings and terms replace. It refers to buildings and term replace. We can say replace also. If the damaged property is replaced over there, refer to goods which have been completely destroyed in the fire, but again the insurance company replace it with the same type of the goods. Suppose the same type of the goods are not available, advanced type is available over there. At that instance, insurance company will ask the insured to pay the higher cost because the model is changed and the property, the design is changed. At that instance, the difference amount will be paid by the insured. At that instance, insurance company will replace with the same goods. Is it clear?
Okay.
But we
Yes, sir.
generally use term restoration. Either you can say replacement, or you can say restoration, or you can say reinstatement. But generally, the insurance company, the doctrine of reinstatement is used over there. But in some places, some occasions, the replace or restoration. But if you say replace or restoration, that also leads to the same thing. As one saying is there, all roads leads to, yes, all
Replacement.
roads leads to,
Replacement.
Same destination, sir.
there is a
Same
English,
destination.
there is a English saying is there. I don't know whether you know it or not. All road leads to Rome. Did not you hear such a magazine, that is a proverb? All roads leads to Rome. Tell me.
Rome.
Uh, moving.
English proverb is there. Rome is not built in one day. అంటే అర్థం,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have to
yeah.
take the time
Take
to
much
make
time.
it out. Yes, that is that. So either you say reinstatement, or you say replacement, or you say restoration, but all these things come under the purview of the doctrine of reinstatement, which has combined the effect of the reinstatement as well as replacement as well as restoration. Is it clear?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, now normally, insurer indemnify the insured of the loss suffered by him, definitely, because it is a general insurance. But the insurer, with the consent of the insured, can take recourse to reinstatement. Suppose insurer wants to ask the insured, see, you paid the premium, it's well and good, but some premiums are you are not paid, or you did not pay one of the premium. If it is a ordinary, if it is a insurance policy is concerned, suppose if it is a general insurance is there, which is yearly, you pay only once, that is called premium. Is it or not? Is it or not? Is it or not? For the home, fire insurance is there.
Yes,
How
sir.
many
Yes, sir.
times? How many times you will pay the premium for 1 year?
As per the agreement, quarterly or half yearly or
Not
yearly.
agreement. That is only the life insurance. You will make it half yearly, quarterly, or so and so thing. But here, when the
Generally 1 year, yearly
only
once.
one time the premium
One
will
time.
paid in the span of 1 year.
Yes, sir.
The case of reinstatement says over there. If it is quarterly, monthly, annually, it is generally not for the general insurance. It is only the life insurance. Because there is a time bound period is there. Are you following me? Yes? Are you following me? Say yes.
Yes, sir. Followed.
Yes. అది చెప్పాలా, ఎస్ అని చెప్పాలా నాకు, అప్పుడు కానీ దెన్ ఐ కెన్ గో ఫర్దర్. జనరల్లీ an insurer discharges its liability as number 1, compensate the insured by payment of damages for his loss in the reinstatement, whatever the damage is caused over there, because it is the insured make it revived because of the doctrine of reinsurance. Number 1, what are the amount agreed or the damage which is indemnified. Number 2, restore the subject matter of insurance to its earlier condition. In the doctrine of reinsurance, what will happen? No, restore the subject matter. What is the subject matter?
Insurance.
సబ్జెక్ట్ మ్యాటర్ అంటే ఇన్సూరెన్స్ సెంటర్ ఏంటండి? ద థింగ్ విచ్ యు ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ టు ఇన్సూర్డ్, let it may be the house, let it be the building, let it may be your shop, let it be your car, let it may be anything. So restore the subject matter of insurance to its earlier condition. What is the earlier condition? It is alive. Policy is alive. Why the policy is dead? Because you are a defaulter. Why the insurance company will terminate your policy? Tell me. Because you are a defaulter. Means you are supposed to do a particular thing, you did not do it. Hence, the insurance company will terminate the insurance policy. Such policy, again, you can restore it in the doctrine of reinstatement by paying its penalty or whatever the condition would be there. Then it will be, the subject matter will be to its earlier condition, means earlier live condition of the policy. In both the way, insurer will discharge its liability, and in case of the fire policy, there is a condition on due to which the insurer has to right to repair the subject matter and brought the property to its condition before fire. Suppose in the fire, some of your furniture is damaged and you paid the insurance. But after some time that you did not pay it, not pay it, once the premium is paid it all, that's all, over. In case you want to indemnify it, then what he will do it? Either he will give the equal amount or he will replace the
Repairs.
replace the what? Because I told you, in your shop furniture is burnt. Either the insurance company will equivalently pay the furniture cost, or it will replace the insurance company replace the furniture. సార్, ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కట్టారు మీరు, ఫర్నిచర్ ఫైర్తో బర్న్ అయింది, ఇన్సూరెన్స్కి 2 చాయిస్ ఉంటాయి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద 2 చాయిసెస్? ఐదర్ హీ కుడ్ పే ద ఈక్వలెంట్ అమౌంట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఇండెమినిఫైడ్, నెంబర్ 1, ఆర్ హీ కెన్ రిప్లేస్ ద ఫర్నిచర్ విత్ ద సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫర్నిచర్. అదే అంటానండి ఇక్కడ. You read what did you understand here? You read this one, you could understand. What did you understand here? Read. Read. తాడూరి వెంకటేశ్వర్ గారు మీరు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు కానీ నాకు వినబడతలేదు. అంటే there is
Sir, muted, sir. Just unmuted, sir.
read what I highlighted.
Anderson versus Commercial Assurance Company.
అయ్యా నేను అండర్లైన్ చేసింది చదవండి సార్, హైలైట్ చేసింది చదవండి. ఏది హైలైట్ చేసినా ఇందులో భక్తులారా, రుబినా తబస్సుం, read what I highlighted. P. Sukumar, read what I highlighted. తాడూరి వెంకటేశ్వర్లు, read what I highlighted.
Of partial loss by stop loss.
ఓకే, నేనే చదువుతానులేండి, ఎందుకంటే మీరు చదివింది వినపడతలేదు నాకు. దెర్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ రాంగ్ విత్ యువర్ మొబైల్. ఓకే, ఇన్ బోత్ ద వే అన్ ఇన్సూరర్ విల్ డిశ్చార్జ్ ఇట్స్ లయబిలిటీ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫైర్ పాలసీ. దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ కండిషన్ ఆన్ డ్యూ టు విచ్ అన్ ఇన్సూరర్ హ్యాస్ ఎ రైట్ టు రిపేర్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ మ్యాటర్ and brought the property to the condition before it. Either he can repair the furniture, or he replace the furniture, or he will give the whatever the amount would be there for its repair. That is indemnified. So now the case law is Anderson versus Commercial Union Assurance Company. I repeat the case. Anderson versus Commercial Union Assurance Company. The reinstatement has been defined as the restoring of the property insured to the condition in which it was immediately before the fire, in case a total loss by rebuilding the premises or replacing the goods by an equivalent, as the case may be, as in the case of partial loss by executing a necessary repair. Suppose the property is burnt only partially. At that instance, the insurance company will not give you the indemnified amount to you. What it does, whatever the furniture is burnt, that furniture they will repair it. If it is not in a condition to repair it, then you can replace the same type of furniture. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Note, if it is specifically mentioned in the insurance policy, then only an insured can demand reinstatement, or otherwise the insurer is only liable to indemnify in money only. That is specifically meant there. If it is specifically mentioned in the insurance policy, then only an insured can demand reinstatement. If the reinstatement is there, it is already mentioned, or otherwise the insurer is only liable to indemnify the money only. So whatever the property is burnt, that much amount will be indemnified by the insurer. Suppose the house is, now the shop is insured for 1 million. Of course, equivalent 1 million premium is paid, but the shop only furniture is burnt. At that time, do you think that he will give the 1 million? Yes? Please reply. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? భక్తులారా ఉన్నారా? ఉన్నామని చెప్పండి.
ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది సార్.
నాకు తెలుసు. I think you could not hear my voice. ఎందుకంటే there is some problem in your mobile. That is the reason that you could not hear my voice. But my Wi-Fi is very good. So in case of the insurer also, it can be forced for the reinstatement, and if the terms of insurance policy provide other method of indemnification. If the half of the property is damaged over there, at that time insurer will not pay the indemnified amount. What he does, he repair the furniture or property which is burnt in the fire. Okay. Once the insurance money has been paid to the insured, he cannot be compelled to spend the sum received or reinstatement of the property damaged or subject matter of insurance, except as required under the Section 76F of the Transfer of Property Act of 1882. Suppose once the insurance money has been paid to the insured, at that instance, he cannot compel to spend sum received on reinstatement of property. Again, he cannot compel the insurance company because already he paid. The paid means he is satisfied with the amount what is paid by the insurance, except as required under the Section 76 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882. Once he paid as a total amount, again he could not ask for the reinstatement of property or damage to the property for the same subject matter of insurance. So that is the way. Means 2 times he cannot get it. Only 1 time that he will get the compensation what he agreed. Okay, Section 76 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 provides that liabilities of a mortgagee in a position, when during the continuance of the mortgagee takes the possession of the mortgage property, where he has insured the whole or any part of the property against the loss or damage by fire, he must, in case of such loss or damage, apply any money which he actually receives under the policy, so much thereof as may be necessary in reinstating the property, or if the mortgager so directs, in reduction or discharge of the mortgage money. So now the question comes over there. Once the money is paid over there by the insurer to the insured, and who mortgaged the property, when the mortgagee is giving back the same property, when the mortgage is over, at the time, what he will do it, no? He will deduct that amount which he received from the insurance. Then later the amount will be given to the mortgager. So what he say? Apply any money which he actually receives under the policy, or so much thereof as may be necessary in reinstating the property, or if the mortgager so directs, in reduction of the discharge of the mortgage money. So now the question comes. It is understanding between the two. Suppose the property is mortgaged and that property is insured and it is mortgaged by the insurance company. Sorry, it is the owner of the property. Then how he will get it? Of course, he will get the property because there is the insurance should be there. But if he claimed such a property as insurance, can he ask again the mortgage to pay the total amount or the damaged amount? Yes. చెప్పండి భక్తులారా,
సార్
వింటున్నారా?
వింటున్నాం.
మరి ఏం సమాధానం చెప్తలేరు ఏంటి? అసలు అర్థమైతే కదా సార్ సమాధానం చెప్పేది. ఇఫ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ దెన్ యూ కెన్ గివ్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి ఉన్నారండి. ఏ 500 తీసుకున్నాడు, బి 500 తీసుకున్నాడు, సి 500 తీసుకున్నాడు. ఎవరి దగ్గర నుండి? డి నుండి. ఓకే, దెన్ డి వాంట్స్ మనీ బ్యాక్. D wants the money back. When the D wants money back, A paid the entire 1500 rupees to the D. Can A claim from the B 500, claim from the C 500 or not? Yes? Yes? Speak.
Yes, sir.
I think there is a problem of your, because my microphone is very nice working. There is no problem at all in my microphone as well as my Wi-Fi. That means once you receive the money from the insurance company, again what is damaged could not be taken from the mortgagee when mortgage is period is over. When the mortgage period is over, the mortgage need not to pay the amount because it's already claimed by the insurance company. And whatever the amount would be due, that amount with the interest you should pay back to the, because mortgage ఎవరు చేస్తారండి? మోటర్గేజర్ చేస్తాడా, మోటర్గేజీ చేస్తాడా? ఎస్, ఇక లాభం లేదు, because I'm not getting the reply from it. At least read what I highlighted here. Read what I highlighted here. Read what I highlighted here.
The insurer can insist on the right of the reinstatement only under any of the below mentioned conditions.
అవునండి సార్ అంటే వింటున్నారు అన్నట్టు అర్థం నాకు. ద ఇన్సూరర్ కెన్ ఇన్సిస్ట్ ఆన్ ద రైట్ ఆఫ్ రీఇన్స్టేట్మెంట్ ఓన్లీ అండర్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ది బిలో మెన్షన్డ్ కండిషన్స్. నెంబర్ 1, వేర్ ద రీఇన్స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది కండిషన్ ఫర్ ద పాలసీ. See, you have to revive your policy, then only you are going to claim from the insurance. Means the insured should have to revive the policy by paying the whatever the due amount would be there to the insurer. Number 1. Number 2, where it is suspected that the loss is caused by the willful or fraudulent acts of the assured. Who is assured here, Andy? Who is assured? Bhaktullara. Who is assured here? Where it is suspected that the loss is caused by the willful or fraudulent acts of the assured. Assured అంటే ఎవరండి ఇక్కడ? సార్ రామయ్య, ఇన్సూరరా అండి ఇక్కడ, లేకుంటే పాలసీ హోల్డరా? సౌండ్ ప్రాబ్లం కనబడుతుంది నాకు, సౌండ్ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. But my voice is very much clear because in the recording I have saw it, even though I am holding in my hand the microphone. I am holding in my hand the microphone. Then I am giving the lecture also. See, you can see I am holding the hand in my microphone. Could you see it? Could you see it? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Could you see my photo where I am holding the hand? సార్ మాకైతే కనబడతలేదు సార్, మీకు కనబడుతుంది కావచ్చు. టెల్ మీ భక్తులారా, ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
సార్ వీఆర్ లిజనింగ్ సార్.
ఏం లిజనింగ్ అండి? కనీసం చెప్పాలి కదండి, మీరు వింటున్నారని నాకు తెలియాలి కదండి.
సార్ సౌండ్ పోతుంది సార్, ఆల్వేస్ పోతుంది సార్.
ఏంటండి ఆడియో
మీ వాయిస్ వినడానికి మేము మ్యూట్ చేసాం సార్.
మీ దగ్గర ఆడియో పోతుంది, నా దగ్గర పోతలేదు. సో యష్యూడ్ అంటే ఎవరు చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు కనీసం? ఇందులో యష్యూడ్ ఉన్నది ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు చూపెడుతుంది చూడండి. ఇది చదవండి, కనీసం హైలైట్ చేసింది చదవండి.
వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సస్పెక్టెడ్ దట్ ద లాస్ ఈస్ కాజ్డ్ బై ద విల్ఫుల్ ఆర్ ఫ్రాడ్లెంట్ యాక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద అష్యూర్డ్.
ఎవరు లాస్ చేసిందండి ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ? ఎవరు యువర్ అష్యూర్డ్ అంటే ఎవరు ఇక్కడ?
పాలసీ హోల్డర్స్.
మరి అదే అడుగుతున్నాను కదండి మీకు అప్పటి నుంచి.
పాలసీ హోల్డర్
ఇన్సూరర్ రచయిత కాలవడు కదా వీళ్ళ పంట చేనును. The insurer will not come and burn the house of the assured. If the assured willfully does a particular thing, then it is difficult to get it the money. Okay, where they were bound to reinstate as a request for any person other than the assured who is interested in the subject matter of the insurance. Suppose the policy will be renewed or revived by the other person who is having the interest in the subject matter. At the time, yes, it will be agreed. Where they are bound to reinstate, yes, because he is paying the amount on behalf of the assured. At the time, reinstatement is possible. Is it clear? So, the policy of the insurance generally gives the insurer an option of reinstating the property damaged or destroyed instead of making a payment in money. So, the policy of insurance generally gives the insurers an option Which one? The policy said to whom? Insurer means company. An option for the reinstating the property. They say, okay, we'll review your policy and damaged, and if it is damaged or destroyed, instead of making a payment in money. So naturally, if the property partially burnt over there, they will replace it, they will restore it. But they don't give the money. But they don't give the money. Only that much only. Suppose if it is restored over there, at that instance, if it is really burnt, only indemnified amount will be paid by the insurer to the insured. Suppose the house is 1 million కి ఇన్సూరెన్స్ చేశారండి. ఫైర్ అక్కర్డ్, ఫైర్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ చేశారు, ఫైర్ అక్కర్డ్, బట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్నిచర్ వాజ్ బర్nt. Can the insured claim the 1 million rupees from the insurance company? Answer. Tell
No.
me the answer. Answer, no. The
No.
insurance company will say that we replace the furniture or we
It is
repair the furniture.
Condition to 1 lakh, within the 1 lakh only, sir.
The terms and conditions, it depends upon whether they give the money only for 1 lakh or they repair it or they restore it. Suppose the total shop is burnt, including the clothes as well as the furniture. Then they will give the what is agreed amount, indemnified amount, means what is agreed for that one. Yes, that will be paid over there. ఇదంతా ఎందుకండి ఈ కథలు, ద రీఇన్స్టేట్మెంట్ అనేది, రీఇన్స్టేట్మెంట్ అనేది ఎందుకంటే ఇట్ ఇస్ ద బోత్ గుడ్ ఫర్ ద ఇన్సూరర్ అండ్ ఫర్ ద ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఇన్సూర్డ్ ఆల్సో. ద రీఇన్స్టేట్మెంట్ క్లాజ్ in the fire policies are included for the benefit of the insurance companies, and this clause does not change the nature of the fire policy. ఇందులో బెనిఫిట్ వాళ్ళకి వస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే దానికి అలౌ చేసింది అనుకోండి, నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఆల్సో యూ విల్ పే ద అమౌంట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్. మీరు అలౌ చేయలేదనుకోండి, దట్ విల్ బి టర్మినేటెడ్. ద నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ వాట్ యూ విల్ డూ నో, ద నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ యూ విల్ మేక్ ద ఇన్సూరెన్స్ విత్ ద అనదర్ కంపెనీ. ఆర్ యూ ఫాలోయింగ్ మీ? Are you following me? Say yes.
Yes, sir.
సార్ మీరు ఒక హోటల్కి పోయారు, ఇడ్లీ తింటున్నారు, యు ఆర్ ఈటింగ్ ద ఇడ్లీ, అందులో కాక్రోచ్ వచ్చింది, పడ్డది అనుకుందాం కాసేపటి. అయితే ఏం చేస్తారు సార్ మీరు? దాన్ని వాపస్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు. వాడు ఏం చేస్తాడు ఓనర్, లేదు సార్ ఇది తప్పులో ఎట్లా పడ్డదో సార్, పైకి వెళ్ళొచ్చిందో కిందికి వెళ్ళొచ్చింది సార్, మీరు ఏం సార్ ఇది పక్కకు పెట్టండి సార్ అని మళ్ళీ ఫ్రెష్ 2 ప్లేట్లు ఇడ్లీ పట్టుకొని తీసుకొచ్చి మీ ముందట పెడతాడు. ఇజ్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్?
Yes, sir.
ఎందుకు పెడతాడండి?
గొడవ కాకుండా, గొడవ కావద్దని మిగతా కస్టమర్స్ అతనికి
The name of the hotel will be spoiled, and the customer they will lose it, and he want to satisfy the customer. కాబట్టి పైసలు కూడా తీసుకోడు, మళ్ళీ రెండు ఎక్స్ట్రా 2 ప్లేట్స్ ఇచ్చేస్తాడు. మరి ఒకవేళ పైసలు ఇచ్చినా కూడా వాపస్ ఇచ్చేస్తాడు. ఆర్ యూ ఫాలోయింగ్? బికాస్ ద నేమ్ ఇంక్రీజ్, ద బిజినెస్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకున్నానికి అది పాలసీ అన్నట్టు. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీ దే విల్ అలౌ యూ టు రీఇన్స్టేట్ ఇట్ either by paying, either you pay the amount or on behalf of anybody will pay the amount. They will keep the provision because that is benefit to the insurance company. So అదే అంటే ఇక్కడ the reinstatement clause in the fire policies are included for the benefit of the insurance companies, and this clause does not change the nature of the fire policy. Suppose if they make it out like that, it will not change the fire policy. When an insurance elects to reinstate, they in fact substitute one code of the discharge, the obligation to another. Thus they put themselves in the same position as they are originally contracted to do so. ఒక్కసారి రీఇన్స్టేట్ చేసింది అనుకోండి, వన్స్ ద రీఇన్స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ మేడ్ బై ద ఇన్సూరర్ బై కీపింగ్ సచ్ ఎ ప్రొవిజన్, then insured is indemnified as if the risk is not caused to the property. Means he will replace it, he will make it new, the entire thing, and he will make the property as if it is not burnt in the fire insurance. ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుందాం, ఇది చదవండి, యూ రీడ్ దిస్ వన్. You read this?
Let us suppose a building is completely destroyed by fire. It is not expected of the insurer that their duty of reinstatement should be literally fulfilled, and the minutest detail of the building should be restored. They are only bound to put the house substantially in the same state as before the fire. If the insurer does not reinstate properly, the assured is not bound to accept the building but must put it up as it was before.
They can't put what they like in lieu of the building destroyed, but he must put it up as it was before. Suppose the building was destroyed over there. When the reinstatement clause was already there, at that instance, the insurer has to keep the building as if there is no burnt to the building. Such a thing they will make it out because of the doctrine of reinstate.
Yes.
If it is not there, then naturally, number one, he will forego the customers. Number two, nobody will come and take the insurance from there. That's why if you are a defaulter also, they will allow you to pay some amount or do it, or you can continue it by again continue the same if nothing is happened to you. Because next time also you will do the same business with him. So that was the actually thing which they want. Note, if an insurer does not elect to reinstate and fire occurs during the reinstatement, it would seem that the company are their own insurers till the reinstatement is complete and must commence reinstating de novo and can't charge the assured with the cost of the second fire. Suppose if they could not make it out in the first instance, reinstate. Again, the same building was burnt next time, second fire. At that time, they will not consider it because the first fire he has to reinstate, then he will pay it. The next fire means next year or next, not why not? Suppose the half of the building is burnt now, say within 6 months. If there is no, if the fault of them is there in the insured, then if there is no reinstatement made by the insurer, then second time it is happened over there, then he will not give the insurance policy, insurance total amount. The first he will reinstate it, then the next time also is burnt over there, that will be covered. So the same thing, if an insurer does elect to reinstate, ఎవరు చేస్తారండి రీఇన్స్టేట్? ఇన్సూరర్ చేస్తాడు. ఇది ఎందుకు చేస్తాడండి? కస్టమర్ పోవద్దని. ఆర్ యు ఫాలోయింగ్ మీ?
Recovery కోసం.
హై సార్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర హౌ హీ విల్ గెట్ ద మనీ? ఇట్స్ ఓన్లీ ద పాలసీ హోల్డర్ పే ద ఆల్ ద అమౌంట్. ఒకరు ఇద్దరా, మెనీ పాలసీ హోల్డర్ పే ద పూల్ ఆఫ్ అమౌంట్ వుడ్ బి విత్ హిమ్. If you give one person, it doesn't matter. Only 1% also he will not last because that much amount would be there. So that is the reason he elects to reinstate and fire occurs during the reinstatement. It would be seen that the company are their own insurers till the reinstatement is complete and must commence reinstating to de novo, means to make it new, and can't charge the assured with the cost of second fire. And generally, the second fire also they will not charge it, and they will make it once the reinstatement is there, then automatically it will be given even if the second fire also occurs to the same subject matter, not different subject matter. Please note the point. Not the different subject matter. For the same subject matter, again the refire is there, second fire is there, that also we charge assured with the cost of the second fire. So now the conclusion what they want to make it out here is, from the above we find out that in case of fire insurance, generally the fire insurance will occur over the reinstatement. There are two options with an insurance company. Number one, payment of the amount of a claim in money or reinstate the property destroyed. Either you pay the amount completely or reinstate the property, means restore back the property which is damaged or replaced with the new property. The insurance company, for their benefit, see, insurance company for their benefit, put reinstatement clause in policy document, but true nature of the fire policy is to indemnify the insured by the way of money against the damage or loss subject to the matter of insurance. ఈ డాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ రీఇన్సూరెన్స్ రీఇన్స్టేట్ ఎందుకు పెడతారంటే క్లాజ్ అది, if that clause is not there, he has to pay the total indemnified amount. So mostly reinsurance, they will keep the, in the fire insurance policy, the insurer keep the intentionally this doctrine of reinstate clause, because if it is there, either he can replace the furniture or he can restore the same furniture or same thing, but he need not to pay the total amount which is agreed in the policy. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then who will be benefited here?
Insured.
Yeah,
Company gets
company will be
more.
benefited, Andy.
Because the hundreds of candidates are insured, but only damage occurred to only one policy holder, sir. That's why.
ఒకటే సబ్జెక్ట్ మ్యాటర్కి ఉన్నదనుకోండి, వాడు ఈ డాక్ట్రిన్ ఆఫ్ రీఇన్స్టేట్ క్లాజ్ పెట్టకపోతే ఏమైతే తెలుసా అండి, మొత్తం అమౌంట్ ఇవ్వాల్సి వస్తుంది, ఇండెమ్నిఫైడ్ అమౌంట్. అయితే డాక్ట్రిన్ ఆఫ్ రీఇన్స్టేట్మెంట్ క్లాస్ ఎందుకు పెడతాడంటే, దిస్ క్లాస్ మేక్ ద ఇన్సూరర్ టు పే ద డ్యామేజ్డ్ amount of the furniture, or he will replace the furniture, or he repair the furniture. Either he repair the house or repair the house అంటే పైసలు తక్కువైతే కదండి. Is it or not? Instead of replacing the house. Replacing the house means he will spend the total amount what is indemnified. So that is the reason in many cases the reinstatement value increases the sum insured and insurer are liable to pay damages. Thus, it is in the betterment of the insurance companies to determine best option for themselves while choosing the right mode of discharging their liability. So, doctrine of reinstatement is benefits to the insurer, but it will not anyway benefit to the insured. But one thing is clear over there. Yes, a insurer will give the chance to the insured to revive the policy, to make alive the policy, and see that by reinstatement and whatever the damage is occurred, that my damaged property will be replaced, but not the total indemnified amount will be given to the insured. So that was the whole idea of the doctrine of reinstatement. Sir, కొన్ని we have to study only for theoretically only, but practically something we are not using it. Like I dealt in my earlier classes, double insurance. డబుల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఏదైనా బెనిఫిట్ ఉన్నదా అండి ఇప్పుడు? నథింగ్. అయినా మనం చదువుతున్నాం, ఎందుకంటే రీఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఉన్నది, డబుల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఉన్నది. ఇప్పుడు మనం ముస్లిం లాలో చదువుతాం, ఏమని, ఏ ముస్లిం మ్యాన్ కెన్ మ్యారీ, చెప్పండి.
More than one.
4 wives, sir. 4 wives.
How much the limit?
4 times.
ఒక్కరిని చూపెట్టండి, నాకు 4 భార్యలు ఉన్నారు, ఒక్కరిని చూపెట్టండి, మీ ఖమ్మంలో కానీ కొత్తగూడెంలో కానీ ఎక్కడైనా కానీ.
నైజాం హ్యాస్ మోర్ వైవ్స్ అని ఒకటి ఉంది కదా సార్, నైజాం హ్యాస్ మోర్ వైవ్స్ అని ఉంది కదా సార్.
అరే నేను ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడతాను, నేను ఒక్కరిని చూపెట్టండి, నేను ఫోటో తీసుకుంటా, ఫ్రేమ్ కట్టుకొని పెట్టుకుంటా నేను.
సార్
చెప్పండి, యు గివ్ ద ఆన్సర్.
నో సార్.
అంటే థియరిటికల్లీ మాత్రమే ఉన్నది కానీ ప్రాక్టికల్లీ
No,
ఇప్పుడు
not possible.
ఎందుకంటే చెప్పాలనా, 1 వైఫ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4 నౌ.
Sir,
అందుకోసమే అన్నట్టు. ఓకే,
there is no chance to at a time having 4.
సరే చచ్చిపోతే అనుకోండి, ఓకే, ఇంకొక పెళ్ళాన్ని చేసుకుంటాడు. దట్ ఈస్ అ డిఫరెంట్ ఇష్యూ. బట్ ఒక్కరన్నా చూపెట్టండి, యూ షో మీ ఎనీ పర్సన్ హ్యావింగ్ 2 వైఫ్స్, 3 వైఫ్స్, 4 వైఫ్స్. It will
Yes,
not
sir.
be there. Only theoretically it will be there, because at the time wars are more, then widows are more, then the law, instead of they are leading to the prostitution, better you marry to whom you like. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
If the situation comes in this war also, if all men will die, అయితే women ఎక్కువ అవుతారు. When women is more, men is less, what will happen? Hindu law will be amended. One can have the 2 wives. Are you following me?
Yes.
If not,
By the consent of the first wife.
of course, ఎందుకంటే they will ask it, but no woman can allow her husband to share with another woman. No woman allow her husband to share with another woman. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So కాబట్టి theoretically we have to study it, practically zero, nil. Is it or not? ఇవాళ భక్తులు ప్రాంప్ట్గా రిప్లై ఇస్తలేరు భక్తులు. Even Rubina Tabassum also did not repeat. Just she attended. Rubina, are you there?
No.
Sukumar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I appreciate.
Yes, sir.
థియరిటికల్ గా ఉన్నాయి. ఏ మ్యాన్ వుడ్ హ్యావ్, ఇక్కడ నేను చూపెట్టాను చూడండి, ఏంటిదండి అది చెప్పండి. ఆ ఫోటోలో చూపెట్టాను, ఏంటిది చెప్పండి సార్ కనబడితే.
అరటిపండు తొక్క సార్, కాలు దాని మీద పడుతుంది.
పడుతుంది. అయితే ప్రాబబిలిటీ చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు.
జారి కింద పడుతుంది సార్.
అప్పుడు కింద పడ్డాడు అనుకుందాం, ఇంజురీ అయింది అనుకుందాం, ఫ్రాక్చర్ అయింది అనుకుందాం, అది ప్రాక్సిమేట్ కాజా, రిమోట్ కాజా?
ప్రాక్సిమేట్ క్లాస్ సార్.
అది ప్రాక్సిమేట్ కాజ్ అవుతుంది, అది రిమోట్ కాజ్ కాదు. సో టుమారో క్లాస్ విల్ సీ వాట్ ఈజ్ ప్రాక్సిమేట్ కాజ్, వాట్ ఈజ్ రిమోట్ కాజ్. సార్ దొంగతనానికి పోయినరండి ఇద్దరు. పోయిన తర్వాత ద ఓనర్ హీ గాటప్, లేచిండని ఒకడు ఉరకపోయిండు. ఉరికి ఏం చేసిందంటే బయలుపడ్డాడు, చచ్చిపోయిండు. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, వాడిని చచ్చిపోయిన దానికి ఈ ఓనర్ లేదానికి ప్రాక్సిమేట్ కాజా, రిమోట్ కాజా? అది